بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معاكم مستر حسين شريف. Today, revision on Unit 4. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to, number one, identify the concept of hormones. Number two, mention some hormones and their functions in human body. Number three, identify some diseases resulted from hormone disorder in human body. Complete question number one. The two testes secrete space hormone and the two ovaries secrete space and space hormones. The two testes secrete testosterone hormone and the two ovaries secrete estrogen and progesterone. Two ovaries secrete estrogen and progesterone. Number two, the space gland secretes a hormone which controls the rate of the body growth. The pituitary gland secretes a hormone which controls the rate of the body growth. Question number three. When the secretion of the growth hormone decreases in childhood, man suffers from space. When the secretion of the growth hormone decreases in childhood, man suffers from dwarfism. Okay, أو القزام. Number four, space glands consist of two lobes and located in the front surface of the neck, and it secretes space hormone. Thyroid gland consists of two lobes and located in the front surface of the neck, and it secretes thyroxine hormone and calcitonin hormone. Question number five. Hormones are directly secreted into the blood stream by space. Hormones are directly secreted into the bloodstream by endocrine glands. Number six. Below the brain, there is a small gland called space, and in spite of its small size, it is called space or space. Below the brain, there is a small gland called pituitary, and in spite of its small size, it is called master or main gland. Number seven, space gland secretes space hormone, which controls the general growth of the body. Pituitary gland secretes growth hormone, which controls the general growth of the body. Number eight, when the amount of glucose sugar decreases in blood, Pancreas secretes space hormone. When the amount of glucose sugar decreases in blood, pancreas secretes glucagon hormone. Number 9, thyroxine is a space that regulates food assimilation in your body. Thyroxine is a hormone that regulates food assimilation in your body. Question number 10. Space hormone is secreted when the percentage of glucose sugar increases in the blood. Insulin hormone is secreted when the percentage of glucose sugar increases in the blood. Question number 11. Deficiency of space hormone during space stage causes dwarfism. Deficiency of growth hormone during childhood stage causes dwarfism. Question number 12. Space gland consists of two lobes and located in the front surface of the neck and secretes space and space hormone. Thyroid gland consists of two lobes and located in the front surface of the neck, and it secretes thyroxine and calcitonin hormone. Question number 13. Space are the cells that the hormones affect, and they are almost located away from the endocrine gland that secretes the hormone. Target cells are the cells that the hormones affect, and they are always located away from the endocrine gland that secretes the hormone. Question number 14. Space stimulates body's organs to respond to emergence, like fear, anger, and emotion. Adrenaline hormone stimulates body organs to respond to emergencies like fear, anger, and emotion. Another question, choose question number 1. The pancreas secretes a hormone called space, which reduces the level of sugar in the blood. The pancreas secretes a hormone called insulin, which reduces the level of sugar in the blood. Letter C. Question number 2. The hormone which regulates the level of calcium in blood is the hormone or is the space hormone? Letter A, calcitonin. Letter B, thyroxine. Letter C, insulin. Letter D, adrenaline. Letter A, calcitonin. Number 3, the disorder resulted due to the increase of secretion in the growth hormone at childhood is space. Letter A, dwarfism. Letter B, fatness. Letter C, gigantism. Letter D, inflation. The disorder resulted due to increase of secretion in the growth hormone at childhood is gigantic. Question number 4. Function of space hormone is contradicting the function of insulin hormone. Letter A, testosterone. Letter B, glucagon. Letter C, adrenaline. Letter D, growth. Function of glucagon hormone is contradicting the function of insulin hormone. Question number 5. The gland that secretes hormones raises the level of sugar in the blood space. Letter A, pancreas. Letter B, glucagon. Letter C, insulin. Letter D, all the previous. Letter A, pancreas. Question number 6. The chemical substance that controls and organizes most of body vital activities is the space. Letter A, protein. Letter B, enzyme. Letter C, hormone. Letter D, endocrine gland. The chemical substance that controls and organizes most of body vital activities is the hormone. Question number 7. The space is the only way for hormones to reach their sites of action. Letter A, enzyme. Letter B, lymph. Letter C, blood. Letter D, duct. The blood is the only way for hormones to reach their sites of action. Question number 8. All of the following are considered endocrine glands except space gland. Letter A, pituitary. Letter B, thyroid. Letter C, adrenal. Letter D, sweet. All the following are considered endocrine glands except sweet glands. Question number 9. Space secretes facilitating hormone during delivery. Letter A, pituitary gland. Letter B, the ovaries. Letter C, the adrenal gland. Letter D, the thyroid gland. Pituitary glands secretes facilitating hormone during delivery. Question number 10. The disorder resulted due to the increase of secretion in the growth hormone at childhood age space. Letter A, gynecism. Letter B, dwarfism. Letter C, simple goiter. Letter D, diabetes. The disorder resulted due to the increase of secretion in the growth hormone at childhood is gigantism. Question number 11. The hormone which regulates the level of calcium in blood is space hormone. Letter A, calcitonin. Letter B, thyroxine. Letter C, progesterone. Letter D, adrenaline. The hormone which regulates the level of calcium in blood is calcitonin hormone. Question number 12. The hormone whose deficiency causes the enlargement of the thyroid gland is letter A, estrogen. Letter B, insulin. Letter C, thyroxine. Letter D, glucagon. The hormone whose deficiency causes the enlargement of the thyroid gland is thyroxine. Another question, correct the underlined word. Question number 1. Dwarfism disease results from decrease of secretion in the thyroxine hormone. Dwarfism disease results from decrease of secretion in the growth hormone. Question number 2. Hormones are secreted in the body by some organs called pancreas. Hormones are secreted in the body by some organs called endocrine glands. Question number 3. Glucagon hormone promotes the growth of endometrium. Progesterone hormone promotes the growth of endometrium. Question number 4, the magnesium element shares in composing of thyroxine hormone. The iodine element shares in composing of thyroxine hormone. Number 5, on decreasing of sugar level in the blood, the ovaries respond by secreting glucagon hormone. On decreasing of sugar level in the blood, the pancreas responds by secreting glucagon hormone. Question number 6. The testosterone hormone responsible for the appearance of the female secondary sex character. The testosterone hormone responsible for the appearance of the male secondary sex character. Number 7, pituitary glands exist below the liver. Pituitary gland exists below the liver. Pituitary gland exists below the brain. Number 8, testosterone hormone responsible for the appearance of the female secondary sex characters. Estrogen hormone responsible for the appearance of the female secondary sex characters. Another question, write the scientific term. Question number 1, they are ductless glands that secrete their hormones directly in blood without passing through ducts. They are ductless glands that secrete their hormones directly in blood without passing through ducts. Endocrine glands. Question number 2, they are the cells that the hormone affect, and they are almost located away from the endocrine gland that secretes the hormone. They are the cells that the hormones affect, and they are almost located away from the endocrine gland that secretes the hormone. Target cells. Question number 3, it is the increase or decrease in the secretion of one of the hormones as a result of a disorder in the action of the endocrine gland responsible for it abnormally. It is the increase or decrease in the secretion of one of the hormones as a result of a disorder in the action of the endocrine gland responsible for it abnormal. Hormone disorder. Question number 5. It secretes hormones that regulate the activities of most of other endocrine glands, so it is called master gland or main gland. It secretes hormones that regulate the activities of most of other endocrine glands. بتنظم أنشطة معظم الغدد الصماء الأخرى. So it is called master gland or main gland. طبعا the pituitary gland. Number 6, the hormone which controls the speed of growth rate of body muscles, bones, and other organs. The hormone which controls the speed of growth rate of body muscles, bones, and other organs, growth hormone. Question number 7, gland is located in the front surface of the neck on both sides of the trachea. Gland is located in the front surface of the neck on both sides of the trachea. Thyroid gland. Question number 8, the hormone which stimulates body's organs to respond to emergencies like fear, anger, and emotion. Adrenaline hormone. Another question, give reasons for. Number 1, hormones are secreted in the body by some organs called endocrine or ductless glands because they secrete their hormones directly in blood without passing through ducts. Because they secrete their hormones, okay, directly مباشرة in blood without passing through ducts. Question number 2, the pituitary gland is called the master gland because it secretes hormones that regulate the activities of most of other endocrine glands. Question number 3, blood is the only way for the hormones to reach its site of action because the target cells that are affected by hormone are located far away from endocrine glands. Because the target cells أو الخلايا المستهدفة that are affected by hormone are located far away from endocrine glands. Question number 4, the height of some persons may exceed 2 meters due to the increase in the secretion of the growth hormone at childhood. Due to the increase in the secretion of the growth hormone at childhood. Question number 5, some persons have enlarged thyroid gland due to decrease or increase in the secretion of thyroxine hormone. Due to decrease or increase in the secretion of thyroxine hormone. Question number 6, some people suffer from simple quitter due to decrease in the secretion of thyroxine hormone due to decrease in the secretion of thyroxine hormone. Question number 7. The secretion of glucagon hormone increases when the percentage of glucose sugar. Secretion of glucagon hormone increases when the percentage of glucose sugar decrease. To convert the glycogen stored inside it into glucose sugar. Okay, when the secretion or the secretion of glucagon hormone increase when the percentage of glucose sugar decrease. Question number 8. Pancreas is a double function gland أو غدة مزدوجة في الوظيفة because the pancreas acts as a ductless gland which secretes the insulin and glucagon hormones that regulate the glucose sugar level in the blood, and it also secretes digestive enzymes that help in digestion process through a duct. Question number 9. The secretion of insulin hormone increases when the percentage of glucose sugar increases in blood. احنا قلنا قبل كده secretion of glucagon hormone increase when the percentage of glucose sugar decreases in blood. Okay, this question, the secretion of insulin hormone increases when the percentage of glucose sugar increases in blood because it reduces the level of glucose sugar in blood to normal level. اوكي، يعني ما بيحصلش ريديوس كده ينزله للزيرو، لا هو بيعمل ايه؟ بيعمل ريديوس الليفل of glucose sugar in blood to normal level. Okay. Question number 10. The food must contain iodine or iodine because iodine enters in the structure of thyroxine hormone, which plays a main role in food assimilation process in the body. Question number 11. Pancreas is a mixed gland because it acts as a ductless gland which secretes the insulin and the glucagon hormones that regulate the glucose sugar level in the blood, and it also secretes digestive juices that help in digestion process through a duct. Okay. كان في question تاني لو كان pancreas is a double function gland اللي هو غدة مزدوجة الوظيفة طبعا because the pancreas secretes the insulin hormone and the glucagon hormone, and the function of each hormone contradicts the function of the other. Contradicts the function of the other. يعني الوظيفة بتاعت كل واحد طبعا عكس ايه او معاكسة للآخر. Another question: what happened when number 1 when the frequency of growth hormone secretion at childhood? The body stops growing so the person become adult. Question number 2. What happens if the secretion of growth hormone is increased at childhood? A continuous growth in the limbs, bones, so the person become a giant. Continuous growth in the limbs, bone, so the person becomes a giant or a giant. Question number 3. What happened to the human when thyroxine hormone secretion increases? The human will suffer from exophthalmitis, waiter, okay, stomach waiter. Question number 4. When the deficiency of thyroxine hormone secretion, the human will suffer from simple goiter. When thyroxine hormone secretion increase, the human will suffer from exophthalmic goiter, and when the deficiency of thyroxine hormone secretion طبعا بيحصل له decrease هنا، يبقى كده ايه human will suffer from simple goiter. Question number 5. When a man takes a little amount of iodine in his food, what happens? This leads to decreasing in secretion of thyroxine hormone, and this leads to that the human suffers from simple goiter. Question number 6. When adrenaline hormone is secreted in a very little amount, the body's organs don't respond properly to emergencies. The body's organs don't respond properly to emergencies. Question number 7. What happened to blood sugar level when pancreas does not secrete glucagon hormone? The level of glucose sugar in blood decreases. Question number 8. What happens when glucose sugar level is decreased in blood? Pancreas responds by secreting glucagon hormone to raise the percentage of glucose sugar in blood. Number 9, if the pancreas decreases its secretion of the insulin hormone, if the pancreas decreases its secretion of the insulin hormone, the level of glucose sugar in blood increases and human will suffer from diabetes disease. The level of glucose sugar in blood increases and human will suffer from diabetes disease. Question number 10. What happens when glucose sugar level is increased in blood? Pancreas responds by secreting insulin hormone to reduce the percentage of glucose sugar in blood. Question number 11. When testosterone hormone does not secrete at adulthood stage in a male. The male secondary sex characters are not appeared. The male secondary sex characters are not appeared. Question number 12. What happens when glucose sugar level is increased in when estrogen hormone doesn't secrete at adulthood stage in a female? What happens when estrogen hormone doesn't secrete at adulthood stage in a female? The female secondary sex characters are not appeared. Okay, question number 12. When estrogen hormone doesn't secrete at adulthood stage in a female, the female secondary sex characters are not appeared. In this lesson contains these concepts: number one, hormones; number two, hormones and their functions in human body; number three, some diseases resulted from hormone disorder in human body. كده نكون وصلنا لنهاية حصة اليوم. أتمنى نكون فهمنا، ونتقابل على خير إن شاء الله في حصة قادمة. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.